Everyone knows Siri can set a timer or alarm, add a reminder, start a phone call, or send a text, or do simple math calculations. But Siri can do so much more. Let's see 5 incredible things that Siri can do. Identify an airplane flying above you. Have you ever looked up and wondered exactly what plane is flying across the sky? You can ask Siri which planes are overhead and get a list through its partnership with Wolfram Alpha. Ask for a password. Your iPhone does a great job of auto-filling logins and passwords that are stored on the device, but what do you do when you need that password on another device? You can ask Siri for a password. Hey Siri, what's my Canva password? Your iPhone will authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID and open directly to the password entry for that app. Bedtime stories with Siri. Siri can also entertain as well as inform by reading users a bedtime story. To get started, simply ask, "Hey Siri, tell me a story," or say, "Please read me a story." Tell you what song is playing. While it's true there are specific apps out there like Shazam, SoundHound etc. that can do this, but simply being able to tell Siri to listen and identify a song is a pretty neat trick. Just say, "Hey Siri, what song is playing?" It will listen and will tell you the name of the song. Use Siri to flip a coin, roll the dice, or pick a number. Have trouble making decisions? Let Siri help by asking the AI to flip a coin. Siri can also roll the dice and pick a number. Simply ask Siri to flip a coin, roll the dice, or pick a number. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.